Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2021 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This motorcycle has just under 1,900 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. I have not found any tip over damage or anything on this. Tires appear to be in good shape. Looks like there's plenty of life left in that with the low miles on them. They should be. Daymaker headlight, LED signals, tinted windscreen, highway bars, footboards for the driver, air intake, footboards for the passenger, a quick release passenger backrest, as well as other rear mounting hardware, luggage rack, tour pack, all that other kind of fun stuff. LED rear signals as well. Same with the rear tire, appears to be in great shape. Looks like there's plenty of life left in that. And again, our passenger backrest. Passenger footboards for the driver. This has been changed over to just a tow shifter. Horn cover, heated grips, and of course the special with the big screen. And again, our tinted windscreen, LED signals, and Daymaker headlight. So the imperfections we found on this bike, you can kind of see it, there's a dent right here in the middle of the fairing, or the middle of the fender. And we've got a couple of light scuffs and a chip here on the front fender. But nothing else shows the telltale signs that it was ever tipped over, so rubbed up against something is all I can imagine. All right, I'll show you those miles now. 1,038. Oh, here, I thought that was an 8. 1038 is what's on it. I think I forgot to mention the heated grips too. So this 2021 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special is an outlet motorcycle, which means it will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.